Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to show off you how to install a new setup for the Cisco ISE version 2.6. Okay, so let's start and enjoy with my video. We need to create a new VM here. New virtual machine. Okay, let me check with the available IP. Ping 192.168.100.216. Okay, we can use that IP. Okay, click next. We can use the Cisco ISE IP P216. Okay, go ahead. We put here in our lab. Okay, we put our data store here. We use the Linux with the Red Hat Enterprise 7. Okay, this is our VM network. Okay, keep this one as the default because we need only one interface. We select the 600 GB. Okay, and we select the sync provisioning. Okay, that's all. We need to finish, and we need to edit some of the virtual machine here. This setting because we need to add more CPU and RAM. Okay, before you installation, make sure before you plan install to the production, make sure you have read the guideline that provide from the Cisco. Okay, so I want to 16 RAM. I use only 2 CPU. I think for the lab environment it should be fine for me, but for the best practice one, please check with the Cisco to verify about the hardware compatible method. Okay. Let's browse to my ISO here. Okay. Here is my ISO. Select this one, Cisco ISE, and connect. Make sure we check this box. Make sure our data is about to boot up from this one. Okay. Turn it on and let view on the console. Make sure our AI is running. Okay, so we would select number 1. Okay, here is the hardware initialization. Until we can close this and keep use this one instead here. Okay, current our Cisco ISE is booting up. Take too long time a bit here. Okay, let me skip my video a bit. One it has the important step, I will resume my video. Okay, it's still progressing. Okay, so we have this step here, so we need to try is the setup. Okay, with that info we can complete the host name. You can, let's say that ISE -03. Cisco ISE. Let's see. IP address is 192.168.116.255.255.2 192.168.100. Do you want to use IP basic? No. Default DNS domain is UC Lab. This is my DNS local. My DNS IP is 192.168.100.205. So I don't use this one. No. I keep use the default time zone here. Select no. The time zone I still use the default. I will enable the SSH here. Okay. So this is the enter username. So I use ISE admin. Here's my password. Verify the password. Okay. After config the information, we need take some time more. Okay, so I will skip this video. Waiting one finish. Okay, we are here now. So let's try our username and password here with the ISE admin. Put my password. Okay, to make sure the service is up before we about accessing through the GUI, so we use one command to show application status ISE. Okay, let's use the ping thing here. Okay, let's check the ping. To our eyes. Okay, the ping is reachable, but the sum of service is still not running. Okay, so let me use to access through SSH instead here. So I need to copy and paste to here. I can property on it. I use our new IP. Okay, let's connect it. Okay, so application status ISE. use the Cocoa 106, which we still cannot access it right now, since our survey is still running. Make sure the survey is up before we about to access it. So just waiting here, maybe next 10 minutes more. Okay. Okay, the survey is still initializing, so just keep refreshing here. Okay. Still not running. Okay, it's still initializing right now. Okay, verify the service again. I think it's up right now. Okay, it's up. Okay, here is the Cisco ISE. Okay, so it means that our setup is complete, but let me review one thing. Okay, the switch is up and running, and let's show the version. Okay, here is our Cisco ISE version 2.6, and the next video for me, I will show all of you how to upgrade the version of ISE 2.6 to another version with 3.0, that is the new version 1. Okay, this one is required call home, so mostly we don't need it. Okay, here is our temporary license. Mostly Cisco, they provide us 30 days. Okay, just a sub and close. Okay, here is our Cisco ISE, but there is no any configuration, just installation only. Thank you for watching my video. Any question, you can drop your comment below, and then I can apply. I can reply you one I can see. Okay, thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, everyone. Bye bye.